Good evening, students. Today we will study further about the potential difference. Now, last lecture you have seen that because of potential difference, the electrons flow from one point to another, that is from an area of higher concentration of electrons to another area where there is a lower concentration of electrons. So actually if we see, then this potential difference is doing a work. What work it is doing? It is doing a work of bringing a charge from one point to another point. Now for the definition purpose, we are now going to consider this charge as a positive charge. Okay, so the potential at a point, now look at the blue box. The potential at a point is defined as the amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. You know, electricity travels from one point to the other point. उसमें कुछ लिमिटेशन नहीं रहता है कि इतने ही डिस्टेंस तक जाएगा. जितना लंबा तुम्हारा वायर रहेगा फ्रॉम इन्फिनिटी द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर गोइंग टू ट्रैवल. सो दैट इज़ वाई द अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क डन in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point is known as potential at that point. And suppose if we take V as the potential and we take W as the work done and Q as the charge, then V is equal to W upon Q. It has been found out. Now see the figure over here 8.5. The work done in bringing a test charge Q from infinity. यहाँ पे देखो एक चार्ज्ड बॉडी है प्लस, देन यू सी अनदर चार्ज इज एट Q. एक इन्फिनिटी पे एक चार्ज है, पॉजिटिव चार्ज है Q, और वो चार्ज को हम P के पास लेके आ रहे हैं और ऑलरेडी P के बाजू में एक पॉजिटिव चार्ज है. द पॉजिटिव आर गोइंग टू रिपेल. तो Q को to bring it over here is not going to be easy. You have to apply a lot of force. That means when force is applied, work is done. That is why we say that the work done in bringing a charge, because it is not that easy to bring a charge, because this charge is positive and we are bringing it at the point P, just neighbor to that is also one positive charge. So now this V is equal to W upon Q. You can also write it as W is equal to Q into V. Now remember the formula, W is equal to mg. This is for the weight, or for the potential energy here, W is equal to mgh. Now here you can say that Q is analogous to mg. Q means mg. So charge का मतलब क्या होता है? Weight. And V means h. So the V means, that is a potential, means height. So potential V is analogous to vertical height, that is h, and Q is analogous to the weight, that is mg. Now what about the unit of electric potential? Now V is equal to what? W upon Q. तो W का क्या है यूनिट? जूल्स. Q का क्या है? कोलोम. So 1 volt is equal to what? 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. Okay. So see the blue box, the definition of potential difference. अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे? इन्फिनिटी वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू कंसिडर. ओके, वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू कंसिडर अ पार्ट. सो वी विल नॉट से नाउ ब्रिंगिंग फ्रॉम इन्फिनिटी टू वन पॉइंट. वी विल से ब्रिंगिंग फ्रॉम वन पॉइंट टू अनदर पॉइंट, बिकॉज इन प्रैक्टिस वी आर गोइंग टू कंसिडर द फ्लो इन अ कंडक्टर, और कंडक्टर हमारा इन्फिनिटी लेंथ का नहीं होने वाला है. दैट इज़ वाई the potential difference, or the PD, between 2 points is equal to the work done in moving a unit positive charge from one point to another. Okay, so the difference between potential and potential difference, potential एक point का होता है, potential difference is always between 2 points. इसके लिए infinity निकल जाता है, rest all is going to be same. So potential at a point is defined as the amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. But when we talk about potential difference, it is always difference is always calculated between two things. So potential difference will be between 2 points as the work done in moving a unit positive charge from one point to another. Okay.